Well, basically, if you've used the computer before, any application on the computer, such as Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, if you've played a computer game, all of those things were developed by a software developer. So it's the job of a software developer to analyze the needs of a user and to come up with ways to allow the user to interact with the computer hardware and to get what he needs from the computer, whether it be entertainment or communication or just simply to store and retrieve data from the computer. At the moment, I'm busy developing an application in Visual Studio, which is the environment that I'm busy using to develop the application. And the application I'm working on is going to be used for users on a network to communicate with one another, to be able to chat, to do voice over IP communication, and also to have a communal calendar where different events and tasks can be scheduled, and automatic SMS and email reminders will go out to the various users. Well, the majority of universities require that you have mathematics and science at school, although I'd also recommend having computer studies just to have a general overall idea of what is involved with computer programming. I think if you want to be a software developer, you obviously have to have a keen interest in creating things, because that's what you're essentially doing, is creating things. But it also requires a level of logic and problem-solving skills. So I'd say those are probably some of the most important traits to have. I think when you start out, your salary is greatly dependent on which direction you go in, whether it be mobile application development, desktop application development, or whether you want to become a web developer or a game programmer. But typically, if the standard software developer would start off anywhere from about 8,000 to about 15,000. But obviously, the more experience you gain, that could increase dramatically. I think in Namibia there's a lot of opportunities for software developers. There's not a lot of people in Namibia actually practicing software development. So if you were to go and study software development and start your own company in Namibia, there's a lot of prospect. There's a lot of work. First of all, you need to make sure that you are really interested in software development. Try and find out more about what it actually entails to be a software developer. And if you have the traits that I mentioned earlier, the problem-solving skills, and you're somebody who is interested in new technologies and challenges, then yeah, just work hard, follow your dream, and yeah, you can make a success of it.